Hello guys, I am Taruni and I welcome you all to my video. In this video, I am going to show you a 5-bedded room in VIT-AP. So you can see a router there, and on the each side 2 fans will be provided along with the light. And in this side also there is total of 4 fans and 2 tube lights. And there is also a mirror that will be provided in each room. And here there are 3 windows that are provided. Generally there will be 2 windows per room, but here there are 3 windows in this room. Let me show you the view. So this is how it looks, and let me show you the other side. So all the constructions are going on for the new hostel blocks, and that is men's hostel, and the constructions are also going on. The ventilation is really good, to be honest. As you can see, the curtains are really flowing. And this is the view from the other third window. You can see all the men's hostels, CB, AB2, Rock Plaza, Food Street, all. And the ventilation is really good, and I do recommend this 5-bedded room. And as I've already said in the previous video, each person will be provided with study table, cupboard, shelf, charging pods and hangers, tube lights and plugins, and same in this room too. I hope you like this video. Like the video and share it with your friends who are coming to VIT-AP. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.